Well, just say hello very fast. We just want to thank all family who welcome and give hospitality for our children to Molokai. Thank you very much. And I want to thank Manuel, Peters, our friends, to organize all the cultural exchange. Because we come from here to a cultural exchange with Molokai High School. We have tonight a special phone to Chantal Canadas, our teachers. Thank you.